Hello everyone and welcome back to another video.
I am Haseen from the YouTube channel English with Haseen.
In this channel, I post videos on the things you are going to need in order to improve your English skills quickly. So if you want to be an ace in English, then consider subscribing this channel. And turn on the notification bell obviously, because what's the point of subscribing if you don't turn on the notification bell? As you have seen in the title and the thumbnail, today I will discuss about accents. Because recently many people have said to me that they like my accent. They want to learn a new accent, or they want to remove their accent and things like that. So as it's free time, I thought that why not make a video on it? So yeah, the video is up. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. The major question whenever we think about accent is, what is accent? Accent is a distinctive way of pronouncing a language, especially one associated with a particular country, area, or social class. Now, there are mainly three accents on English, which are American accent, British accent, and Australian accent. Well, there are other accents according to the places, but the base accent is these three. Well, in other accents, there are Canadian accent, Asian accent, Russian accent, the Indian accent, and etc. But these are not the main. The main are those which I discussed some times ago. Well, now I will say this. I didn't thought that I would have to say this, but I will say this. That is, the thing which really punches me on my face is that, dude, many people says me that I want to adopt an English accent correctly. Again, some says to me that I want to remove an accent. Well, I may disappoint you guys, but it's the truth. That is, no matter how hard you try, you cannot remove your accent. You can reduce it, but you cannot remove it. The cause is you are habituated with it. Think for a moment. What will you take? Your mother tongue. It also has accents, right? But why can't you get rid of your own accent, your own local accent? Its answer is you are habituated with it. Everyone uses this accent around you, obviously. That's why you cannot remove your accent. But you can do one thing, which is you can combine two or more accents into one accent, in which you will cover two accents, which will be your own custom accent. And if you use that accent, then I don't think that it will matter that much in spoken English. Yeah, it might matter when it's in highly formal place, but in spoken English, no. This accent doesn't vary that much, or doesn't carry out that much, except for some words. For example, British accent, biscuits, and Australian accent, or USA's accent, which is cookies. You can't use biscuit in there. That's the point. That is, which accent will you choose depends on you, your targets. Now, you want to go to Australia now. You learned American and British accent, and you went to Australia. Then
it's obvious that you will face problems.
In some cases, not all the cases, but some cases.
But if you do so, and if you face problem, I can't do anything about it.
But yeah, the thing I can do is I can teach you how to adopt accents. Well, this is just a part 1. I will make a series on it. So stay tuned, the series will come up soon. And as soon as the series comes, I hope that you people will be benefited with the series, whole series. And I will make a video, not educative. I will make a vlog on
My eat day.
on my house, my eat day. So I hope you will watch that video too. Now, if this video helped you in any way, then please give a like and share it with your friends so that they get benefited too. So that's all for today, guys. See ya.